So to solve this equation, I'm going to follow my flow chart, distribute, combine, balance, answer. So I have no distributing that's going on. I can't combine inside the room. I can't combine outside the room. So I'm ready to balance. So I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to begin by balancing my variables. I'm going to choose to minus 6x from both sides. That's going to be a better choice than minusing 8x, because if I did that, the result would be negative. So my new equation after minusing 6x from both sides is going to be 2x plus 16 equals negative 12. So error alert, just be on the lookout that make sure that this negative sign made its way down here, because minusing 6x does not cancel it. So again, make sure you've got your negative 12 here. Now I've got a two-stepper, so I'm going to reverse PEMDAS it. So I'm going to minus 16 equal sign on the line. On the left, I've got 2x. Here's my next opportunity for error. This says negative 12 minus 16. So if I was going to set that up maybe on my mini whiteboard or off to the side, I might write it left to right. So negative 12 minus 16, and then I might do keep change opposite to get negative 28. I've got one more step to get x by itself, which is to divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 14. And so that means that the number that x could be back at the beginning that would balance my equation is negative 14.